Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp can't log in on desktop and PC. Now, if you're in WhatsApp web and whatever you do, whether you scan a code or log in with phone number right here and all of the things are not working, I'm going to show you how to fix this one. So we head over here to the three dots. We're going to go ahead and click the settings. And then the first thing that we're going to do is click about Chrome, and you have to ensure that your Chrome is updated. Now that you can see that the Chrome is updated, I'm going to head over to privacy and security, third-party cookies, and then click see all data and permissions. Now, by the way, you have to ensure that this is allowed right here, otherwise it will not work. Go ahead and click this one right here, and we're gonna go ahead and see here WhatsApp. Now you should see WhatsApp here. Go ahead and click the delete button right here. So what that does really is basically refresh the WhatsApp. As you can see, it's asking for you to reload this one. So it's basically deleting all of the data that WhatsApp has at this computer. So we're just gonna wait for this to load. You can see it's taking its time, and there you go. Now this time, go ahead and try it with Android tap menu or on iPhone tap settings. Now you should be able to get this done. I hope this video helps you out.